Hey guys, Chris here with Crypto Bee Vision, bringing you another wicked video that fits right into the Trading 101 playlist, Build Your Knowledge. Today, we're going to be talking about bull flags, how to measure your profit in a bull flag, where to enter, and possible exits. We're also going to be going over candlesticks, candle wicks, what the wicks mean, and some positive and bearish setups when it comes to candle formation. But before we get started, I'm going to ask you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell, guys. And don't forget about that Telegram group. We're almost creeping on 150 members, and we are doing awesome in there. So thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate your time, and let's dig into the video. So guys, what is a bull flag and what are candlesticks and candle wicks? Well, as normal fashion to do with the Crypto Bee Vision Trading 101 playlist, we're going to go over a couple definitions to get started. I'm not trying to bore you, but it's very important that we get a handle on what these actually mean in a theoretical way, and then we head over to the chart and we put them into practical use. It's a very efficient way to learn this. So bear with me, guys. We're going to go over some definitions now. Let's dig in. So guys, we'll go over a couple definitions here quick, and then we'll jump into the chart with some examples. So we're going to start with a bull flag. So a bull flag is a continuation pattern that occurs as a brief pause in the trend following a strong price move higher. The bull flag chart pattern looks like a downward sloping channel or rectangle, and it is denoted by two parallel trend lines against the preceding trend. Now I know that sounds kind of tough, guys, but what we're going to do in the chart right away is we'll jump right in and show you. But before we go do that, let's go over what a candlestick chart is. So guys, a candlestick chart is also called a Japanese candlestick chart. It's a style of financial chart that's used to describe price movements of a security, derivative, or currency, in our case, cryptocurrency. Each candlestick has different time frames, so you can go down from a seconds to weekly to monthly, and each candlestick represents that time frame on the chart that you're using. Candlestick charts can also be built using intervals shorter or longer than 1 day, of course. And here's an example of a candlestick that's posted right here. And also, we're going to show you the importance of the candlesticks in the charts as well, guys. So let's dig into a quick little video and then into the chart. Hey guys, how you doing? So here we are. We're in the Bitcoin USDT 1 hour chart, and we just had a price that's moving. If it was a confirmed breakout, we would call it as a breakout, guys. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you. You've already watched the trend line videos, so you know how to do that. But we're going to grab the trend line tool, and we're going to start drawing some trend lines because I believe we have a bull flag upon us, right? So we find those bottoms down there. We'll grab this up here. You got to get it close. It's fairly close. Nothing is 100% accurate. This is all TA, technical analysis. So we are analyzing different options in the market with indicators and patterns to try and see what the market is going to do in the future. Nothing is 100%. So guys, if we look here, this is what your bull flag looks like. You hit your trend lines lower and top, 3 touches for validation. The bottom has not technically been validated yet. We have 1, 2, 3 touch and moving above the upper trend line for this bull flag. But as you can see, it is descending, a descending channel, which is a bull flag, a very bullish pattern. And I actually predicted it would bounce off of here and come down, but that is what a typical bull flag looks like, guys. So watch the trend line video. You have to know how to draw trend lines to be able to determine a bull flag. So that video is, I believe, suggested above. But so that is your bull flag setup. You know how to draw trend lines. You can recognize a bull flag descending. Ascending is bearish. Okay, so if we move into candles here, guys, as you can see, a little tip and a trick that I was taught is that if it wicks down, big long wick down like this red guy right here, then the price action is going to go in the opposite direction, because this, when this is wicking down, the reason this is a wick and not a candle body, guys, is because it just dipped down and it didn't close within the time frame that low. So these are bulls pushing that back up. So bears are driving it down, bulls are pushing it back up, and the bulls won that one. So big wick down, price action up, right? Little consolidation, big wick down, price action up, and a little drop, down she goes. Big wick down, guys, price action up. You got it. You guys are getting so good. Every video that we're in together, you guys seem to be getting a little better. So this, if we go over, let's take a look at this green candle here with the long wick down. Now, if I can focus your attention up to the top of the screen where it says OHLC, which is right here, guys. So if we focus, if you hover your mouse over the candle, you'll get the information. So the O is open. So that's the price that this 1 hour candle opened. The H is high, so that's the highest price that this 1 hour time frame reached. The L is the low, so the lowest price this 1 hour time frame reached. And the C is, you guessed it, it's closed. That's what price the candle closed at, guys, right? So every single one of these candles is 1 hour. 1 hour candles. And as you can see, the timer is over here. So when it pops out of an upper trend line like this, guys, you guys already watched the breakout video, so you know. You wait for this is the breakout candle, and the confirmation candle is the following candle after this. So if the next 1 hour candle closes above this trend line, you've got a good chance that it's going to go higher. Not to say it can't drop down, but this also could be a false breakout, guys, where if it pops up, right, and this stays here right at the resistance level, we can see the resistance right here. Lots of resistance at this spot right here, right? It's just above it. So this candle could close way up there, but the next candle could drop back into this trend line and dummy down here, and we would call that a false breakout. So I hope that helped you guys with this. Please like the video. Drop me a comment down below. Did I help you? Are you interested? Do you use these type of techniques? What techniques do you use? Also subscribe to the channel and ding the bell, guys. I really appreciate it. And don't forget about that Telegram group. I've always got it posted right down in the bottom right hand corner. I'm sure you've already seen it. You're already in the group. We're already hanging out. So yeah, and I appreciate your time, guys, a lot. So we'll see you in the Telegram. Have a great day.